Medical Chief of Staff at the Jnf General Hospital, Dr. Cameron Wilkinson, said the hospital is well prepared to deal with COVID-19. In an SKNIS update on COVID-19, Dr. Wilkinson commented on the preparedness of the hospital, in particular the mechanism for treatment of patients infected with the virus.
Our preparedness response for COVID-19 aims to address three things. We aim to slow and stop the transmission and prevent outbreaks and delay spread, to provide optimized care for all patients who are seriously ill, and to minimize the impact of the epidemic on the health system, social services, and economic activity. We have a health emergency operating center that is set up at the Joseph in France Hospital in the conference room. And once we have an outbreak, this will be manned by persons like myself, the CMO, members of the Executive Management Committee, and other senior physicians across the length and breadth of St. Kitts and Nevis. We have an infection and prevention control guidance manual that was produced by the Ministry of Health, so that we can address every aspect of the COVID disease if the patients come to the hospital. It goes right through the management protocols, what is done if the person needs to go to the operating theater, how we deal with decontaminating the room, even right down to how you deal with a body that is in the morgue. And so we have a very comprehensive plan that outlines what we would do in a case where we have an outbreak.
In addition, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Hazel Laws disclosed that a help hotline is being organized by which persons who suspect that they might have contracted the virus could get important information.
The Ministry of Health is collaborating with Flow. We've approached them and they consented to giving us a helpline. The number is 311. I'm sharing it with the general public. However, it's not launched as yet, but it will be. And so individuals who maybe, when we would have announced our first case and when we're in local transmission, individuals who would be impacted by the virus, they may have questions and they are free to call the helpline and they will be directed accordingly.
The Chief Medical Officer stressed that because of the highly contagious nature of the virus, it is strongly advised that persons call and speak to their doctors first before going into the doctor's office. Glenn Barth reporting for SKN Newsline.